Hi there YouTubers, I thought as it's Christmas I'd make a Christmas wreath using some stuff I found. I was laying a hedge, so I got some bits of honeysuckle out of this. We've got other bits of honeysuckle, some ivy and a bit of holly. So yeah, I'll make a start. So I've twisted this big bit of honeysuckle into a kind of rough circle and I've just been peeling off all the bark like this. And then I think I'm going to use some of the smaller honeysuckle to hold it all together. So I'll do that. There we go. I've wrapped the thinner honeysuckle around the big bit. So hopefully that'll give us something to stick the other things into. I've put some ivy on it. I think I'll put the holly on next. So there it is. I've put the holly in. It's got ivy in it. But it doesn't look that Christmassy yet. It's a bit brown and green, there's not enough colours in there, so I decided to use other stuff I'd found in nature. Here it is. I found this stuff on the beach. Yeah, that should cheer it up a bit of plastic. So I'll add this to it. There we are, I added the plastic waste I found on the beach. It's a lot more Christmassy or plastic and multicoloured. Could do with a bit of glitter, but I couldn't find any on the beach. But I did find some other microplastics. We've got some nice nurdles here, so we'll just sprinkle these on. If you're not sure where to find nurdles, there's a good website, The Great Nurdle Hunt. I'll add a link in the comments. Happy Christmas.